Hi, my name is Ben. I really appreciate Nick's class, the way he used the techniques and the lessons that he shared with us, practical and theory, 50% of theory and 50% of practical, which all gels in, and it really gives me an insight of how to do the internet business. I've been really stuck in other courses doing where they just give you theory but there's no practical. With this insight, Nick has really go one step up level to teach the students and also give the students the system when they walk out from the room. It can be online straight away. I really appreciate the team's effort as well, especially our Joseph, Ian, I can't remember a few of them. They are all really helpful in giving assistance. I really appreciate them. If I got time, I would buy them durians, which is durian season now. Thank you so much. And the motivation and mindset that Nick has also shared in the class is really an eye-opener that gives us all drive and a commitment to do better for ourselves, for our parents, for our family, for our wife, for children. Whoever you love one, you can enrich yourself and the family. Stay committed, stay healthy, the best. Thank you, Nick.